What if I told you that you can get a phone with a 200MP camera, a 120Hz OLED screen, a Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 processor, and a 5100 mAh battery for less than $300? Sounds too good to be true, right? Well, that's exactly what Xiaomi has done with the Redmi Note 13 Pro, the latest addition to its popular mid-range series. But is this phone really as amazing as it sounds? Or is there a catch? In this video, I'm going to review the Redmi Note 13 Pro and tell you everything you need to know about this incredible device. Let's get started. The first thing that catches your eye when you look at the Redmi Note 13 Pro is its stunning design. The phone has a ceramic back with a glossy finish that reflects light in different colors. The camera module is also unique, with a circular shape and a silver ring around the main sensor. The phone comes in 4 colors: black, white, blue, and purple. The front of the phone is dominated by a 6.67-inch OLED display with a punch hole cutout for the selfie camera. The screen has a resolution of 1220 into 2712 pixels, which translates to a pixel density of 446 ppi. The screen also supports a 120Hz refresh rate, which makes everything look smoother and more responsive. The screen is protected by Corning Gorilla Glass Victus, which is one of the toughest glass materials available. The phone also has an IP54 rating, which means it can withstand some splashes and dust. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 7S Gen 2 chipset, which is built on the 4nm process. This is a new processor that offers improved performance and efficiency compared to the previous generation. The phone has 8, 12, or 16 GB of LPDDR5 RAM and 128, 256, or 512 GB of UFS 2.2 or UFS 3.1 storage. The phone also has a cooling system with a graphite vapor chamber to prevent overheating. The phone runs on Android 13 with MIUI 14 on top, which is Xiaomi's custom skin. MIUI 14 offers a lot of features and customization options, such as themes, gestures, floating windows, and more. The phone also has a fingerprint scanner under the display, which is fast and reliable. The Redmi Note 13 Pro has a triple camera setup on the back, which consists of a 200MP main camera, an 8MP ultra-wide camera, and a 2MP macro camera. The main camera uses the Samsung ISOCELL HP3 sensor, which is one of the largest sensors ever used in a smartphone. The camera can capture stunning details and colors thanks to its multi-directional phase detection autofocus and optical image stabilization. The camera can also record 4K videos at 30 FPS or 1080p videos at up to 120 FPS. The ultra-wide camera has a 120-degree field of view, which is great for capturing landscapes and group shots. The macro camera can take close-up shots of small objects with a minimum focus distance of 4 centimeters. The front camera is a 16MP sensor, which can take decent selfies and record 1080p videos at 60 FPS. The Redmi Note 13 Pro has a 5100 mAh battery, which is one of the largest batteries you can find on a phone with such a high-end display and processor. The battery can easily last for a full day of heavy usage, or even 2 days of moderate usage. The phone also supports 67-watt fast charging, which can charge the battery from 0 to 50% in just 17 minutes, or from 0 to 100% in just 45 minutes. The phone also has a power-saving mode, which can extend the battery life even further. The phone does not support wireless charging, which is a minor drawback, but not a deal breaker. The Redmi Note 13 Pro is a fantastic phone that offers a lot of value for money. It has a beautiful design, a superb display, a powerful processor, a versatile camera, and a long-lasting battery. It is hard to find any major flaws with this phone, except for the lack of wireless charging and some missing 5G bands. The phone is currently available in China, but it is expected to launch globally soon. The phone has a starting price of 1799 yuan, which is about $280. This is an amazing price for such a high-end phone, and it makes it one of the best mid-range phones of 2023. So, what do you think of the Redmi Note 13 Pro? Do you like it, or do you prefer another phone? Let me know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, Tech Without Borders, for more tech reviews and tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.